Hello guys, good evening and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going on another road trip with my car, with my new Mercedes C-Class. And this one is a very special one. We're gonna have more luggage than this. We're going actually to Switzerland, to St. Moritz. And my father is joining me on this trip and we're gonna be bringing the skis too. I'm actually attending a very special event, but more about that in upcoming moments. Okay, so now we are departing Zagreb, heading towards St. Moritz, around 760 kilometers to reach our destination, which will be around 8-hour drive, 8.5, because we do have some country roads towards the end, which I'm really looking forward to. Of course, I will film that part of the trip as well. Next up is buying the Slovenian vignette, which we'll do here. We just entered Italy. As you can see, augmented reality telling us where to go. And you may notice that if we put the car in Sport Plus, then it does have this special sound, even more pronounced than the sound in the standard mode, which you'll see right now. Now the first fuel stop of the day. When we unlock the car, we are greeted with this beautiful illumination, and we got 69 euros worth of fuel now, and we are ready to continue our drive towards the beautiful St. Moritz. Another quick pit stop, and we are actually driving next to Lago di Como, but it's night, so I don't think we can see a lot. This is how it looks on the map, the progress so far. Left to us, Lago di Como. And somewhere here will be the border, and then the St. Moritz is here. So let's continue the drive. So we got 43 kilometers more to go towards our final destination. And as you can see here, we have some nice roads, and of course, since it's February 6:40, it's still dark outside, but I think this is pretty spectacular during the day. And soon we will enter Switzerland. I think the border is very close.
Road 27.
and we made it to St. Moritz. As you can see, beautiful parking neighbor, new GT3 Touring, and we are now ready to explore the city, and I will actually go to the frozen lake for the Ice St. Moritz, a special event. That's actually the reason why I'm here. So we made it to St. Moritz, and now we are driving through the city center, and we are going towards the frozen lake. And on that lake there will be a special event in the next 2 days. But today's video is more about the road trip,
exit at the roundabout.
Taking my new C-Class to the beautiful ski resort St. Moritz.